Imagine this for a moment. What if the most powerful healing meals ever created were not designed in a high-end restaurant or discovered in a modern laboratory, but were actually eaten daily by some of the healthiest populations in human history thousands of years ago? What if, while we scroll endlessly through food apps and chase the newest diet trends, the answers to long-term health, energy, and disease resistance were already written in ancient texts, quietly waiting to be rediscovered? Most people never realize that the Bible doesn't just mention food symbolically. It describes complete meals, intentional combinations of ingredients that, when examined today, align almost perfectly with what modern nutritional science calls optimal for gut health, inflammation control, metabolic balance, and cellular repair. These are not random dishes. They are systems, carefully layered, deeply practical, and built from observation across generations. Today, we're going deeper than ever before. Not just 20 biblical meals, but a closer, richer look at how each one works, why it works, and what happens inside your body when you eat it consistently. By the end of this, you won't just see food differently. You'll understand how to use it. Stay with me, because some of the meals later on this list combine ingredients in ways that modern researchers are only beginning to study. And the final one may be one of the most complete nutritional combinations ever described in any ancient text. Let's begin. Meal 1, lentil stew with herbs. This is not just a famous story. It is one of the earliest documented examples of food as survival-level nutrition. Lentils are dense, stable, and incredibly efficient at delivering protein, minerals, and long-lasting energy. When soaked, cooked slowly, and paired with spices like cumin and coriander, they become significantly more digestible and more powerful nutritionally. This meal doesn't spike your blood sugar. It sustains you. It feeds your gut bacteria. It rebuilds your body after exhaustion. It is not just food. It is recovery. Meal 2. Barley bread with olive oil. Barley is one of the most underrated grains in modern diets. Yet, it contains compounds that directly improve heart health and stabilize blood sugar. When combined with real olive oil, something remarkable happens. You get fiber that slows digestion and healthy fats that reduce inflammation at the same time. This combination creates steady energy, supports your arteries, and keeps your metabolism stable for hours. It is simple but incredibly effective. Meal 3, grilled fish with herbs. Fresh fish, cooked simply, delivers essential fats your brain and heart depend on. These fats are not optional. Your body cannot produce them. When you eat fish regularly, you support cognitive function, reduce inflammation, and improve long-term health outcomes. The simplicity of preparation matters. No heavy processing. No destructive cooking methods. Just clean, direct heat preserving what your body needs. Meal 4. Fermented milk with honey. This is where ancient wisdom becomes incredibly sophisticated. Fermented dairy introduces beneficial bacteria into your gut, while raw honey provides antimicrobial support and enzymes that enhance digestion. Together, they form a complete system for gut health. They restore balance, support immunity, and improve how your body absorbs nutrients from everything else you eat. Meal 5, figs with nuts. Figs are mineral-rich, fiber-packed, and naturally supportive of digestion. Nuts add healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants that protect your cells. Together, they create a balanced combination of energy, repair, and protection. This is the kind of food that quietly supports your body without overwhelming it. Meal 6, lamb with garlic and onions. This is a deeply restorative meal. Lamb provides highly absorbable nutrients, especially iron and vitamin B12, while garlic and onions deliver powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory compounds. This combination supports immunity, circulation, and recovery. It is both nourishment and protection in a single dish. Meal 7. Chickpeas with olive oil and herbs. Chickpeas provide plant-based protein and fiber that support gut health and metabolic stability. Olive oil enhances nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation, while herbs add digestive and antimicrobial benefits. This meal supports long-term health through consistency. It is simple, repeatable, and effective. Meal 8. Grain bowl with pomegranate and herbs. Pomegranate adds powerful antioxidants that protect your cells and support cardiovascular health, combined with whole grains and herbs. This meal becomes a layered system that supports multiple functions at once. It feeds your body while protecting it. Meal 9. Dates with nuts. Dates provide quick, natural energy, while nuts slow absorption and add essential nutrients. This creates a balanced energy source that fuels your body without causing crashes. It is portable, efficient, and incredibly effective. Meal 10. Lentil and garlic soup. This is one of the most powerful immune support meals you can build. Lentils provide structure, garlic provides defense, and herbs enhance digestion and absorption. It is simple, but extremely effective when used consistently. Meal 11. Roasted root vegetables. With honey. Root vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals, especially those that support immunity and vision. Roasting enhances their natural sugars and nutrient availability, while honey adds antimicrobial support. This is comfort food with a purpose. Meal 12. Flatbread with olive oil. This combination delivers energy, anti-inflammatory compounds, and long-lasting satiety. It is not just bread, it is a delivery system for one of the most beneficial fats in the world. Meal 13. Grapes with goat cheese. This pairing creates a synergy between antioxidants and probiotics. It supports gut health, immune function, and cellular repair. Sometimes the simplest combinations are the most powerful. Meal 14. Barley vegetable stew. This meal supports steady energy, gut health, and long-term metabolic stability. It is deeply nourishing and incredibly balanced. Meal 15. Roasted eggplant with garlic and olive oil. Eggplant contains compounds that protect brain cells, while garlic and olive oil enhance absorption and add antimicrobial benefits. This is a brain-supporting meal hidden in plain sight. Meal 16. Cucumber yogurt with mint. This is hydration, digestion, and cooling support combined. It calms the system, supports the gut, and restores balance. Meal 17. Roasted lamb with dates. This is a recovery meal. It rebuilds the body, restores energy, and supports iron levels while maintaining balance through natural sugars and fiber. Meal 18. Mixed bean stew with herbs and olive oil. Beans provide consistent, long-term health benefits when eaten regularly. Combined with olive oil and herbs, they support heart health, gut health, and metabolic function. Meal 19. Fig and barley breakfast bowl. This meal sets the tone for the entire day. It stabilizes blood sugar, supports digestion, and provides steady energy. Meal 20. The 7 Foods Bowl. This is the ultimate combination. Grains, fruits, and olives working together to provide a complete nutritional profile. Each component fills the gaps of the others, creating a system that supports the entire body. These meals are not trends, they are patterns. They are the result of generations paying attention to what worked. And now, you have access to that knowledge again. The question is not whether they work. The question is whether you will use them.